Okay, this is the question number 4, part number 5 of exercise 3.5. So, let us see the question. The question is, the area of a rectangle get reduced. What do you mean by reduced?
Come to get less.
Less. Reduced by 9 square units. If its length is reduced, again it becomes lesser by 5 units, and breadth is increased. Increased means something is added. Increased by 3 units. So this is the first condition. Area of the rectangle get reduced by 9 square unit if the length is reduced by 5 and breadth is increased by 3. Similarly, the second condition is given. If we increase the length by 3 and breadth by 2 units, then area increases by 67 square units. Find the dimension of the rectangle. First of all, you'll tell me what is the formula for area of rectangle.
Length into breadth.
You all know this? It's a simple one. Length into breadth. If you have a rectangle with some length and breadth, then you can easily find out the area of that rectangle by applying the formula length into breadth. So then here also, because we have to find out the dimensions of the rectangle, so first of all we have to suppose the dimensions of rectangle. Let the length of rectangle is equals to x units and the breadth of rectangle is equals to y units, right? So now we have to apply the condition according to the first condition. If length is equal to x unit, breadth is equal to y units, so what will be the area then? What will be the area then?
X into y.
So first of all, we'll write that area of the rectangle will be xy and it should be in square units. Now apply the first condition. According to the first condition, is saying that area get reduced by 9. That means if area is xy, so it get reduced means minus 9. When it gets reduced if the length is reduced by 5. That means this is the length and it is reducing by 5. And breadth is increased by 3. That means y plus 3. So this is the first condition. Okay, if length is reduced, breadth is increased, then area is reduced. So it's a very simple question. Now you just have to open up the bracket. Open the bracket and get me the answer. What I get after this? Yes, tell me. If I open the bracket, what I'm getting here? xy plus 3x
minus 5y
minus 5y
minus 15
minus 15 is equals to xy minus 9. You will have to see something here.
xy
xy and xy will cancel out, okay? And you'll get 3x minus 5y equals to minus 9 plus 15.
plus 6.
It will be 6, and this is the first equation. Okay, and who will tell me the second equation? In the same way, you will have to apply the second condition and you'll get the second equation. Tell me first about the second equation. What will be the second equation if length is x and breadth is y? According to the second condition, yes, we increase the length by 3. That means x plus 3. Breadth by 2. Increase. Again, this increase is using for both
Y,
the length
y
and the breadth.
plus 2.
So y plus 2 is equals to, area is also increasing. So xy plus 67. Open up the bracket fast. Tell me.
xy
Yes. xy plus 2x plus 3y and plus 6 equals to xy plus 67, and again you can cut xy from both the sides, and now I'll get 2x plus 3y equals to 67 minus 6. 61. So this is the second condition. Okay, now the equations are 3x minus 5y equal to 6, 2x plus 3y equals to 61. Now we'll apply the cross multiplication method here. So that for applying cross multiplication method, we have to take the things in this series B, C, A, B. B means the coefficient of y, C means the constants, and A means the coefficient of x, and B again is the coefficient of y. So B means minus 5, 3, then C, 6, 61, 3, 2, and here we have to write again the B and minus 5 and 3. Now these are for x and these two are for y, and these again are for minus 1. So I'm taking first with the x upon what should be equals to?
Minus 305.
Minus 5 into 61.
Minus 305.
Minus 305, and have to put a minus sign with your own, and 3 6 18. Okay. Similarly, in the same way, y upon, this should be 6 into 2. 12 minus 61 into 3.
183.
183 equals to minus 1 upon
9.
9, and minus is plus
10.
So now we will write it again. It will be like x upon, what will be the answer of these two?
Minus 323.
Minus 323. Y upon,
minus 171.
Very good. Minus 171, and is equal to minus 1 upon 19. Now I have to divide it into two parts. X upon minus 323 equals to minus 1 by 19. You'll cancel out these minus signs and we'll get the value of x 323 upon 19, and if you can do it easily by dividing, you will get 19. How much?
17.
Yes, it will be 17. X equal to 17, and in the same way I can get the value of y also by putting these two equal. This will cancel out. Y is 171 upon 19, and the value of y will be 9. So y is equal to 9 and x is equal to 17, and at last we have to write the answer just by giving notation, and how it should be like required length is 17 units and required breadth is equals to 9 units, and these are our answers.